Want to ensure your home is safely grounded without using a multimeter? This video covers 8 simple visual checks you can perform to assess your home's earthing system safely. Before starting, remember safety first. Always turn off the power, never touch bare wires, and avoid inserting metal objects into sockets. If you find any faults, call a professional. Note that these visual checks are not a replacement for professional testing. Start by checking your plugs. The earth pin is typically longer because it connects to the ground first for safety. Inspect the pin and the socket for any physical damage, and watch out for loose contacts, which often indicate an underlying problem. Next, verify your wire colors. Brown or red usually denotes live, blue or black is neutral, and green or yellow is your earth connection. Seeing only 2 wires is a sign of danger, and you should always check for any signs of loose terminals or burn marks. Inspect your main distribution board. Find the copper earth bus bar and verify that the green-yellow wire is properly connected. This wire is essential as it links to your earth electrode. A missing wire here is a serious safety issue that requires immediate attention. Check the outside connection. Homes typically use GI pipes, copper rods, or plates for earthing. Inspect this area for any broken wires, rusted clamps, or a damaged inspection chamber, as these can compromise your entire system. Observe your appliances. If you notice mild shocks from your refrigerator, a tingling sensation from your washing machine, or if metal surfaces feel live, these are clear signs of poor earthing that need professional inspection. You can also test your RCCB. Locate the unit and press the test button. The switch should trip immediately. If it ignores the test, the mechanism may be faulty. Remember, this test only checks the switch, not the quality of your grounding. Consider using a socket tester. It is a simple tool you plug into a wall outlet to check wiring status via LED lights. It is effective at detecting open earth connections as well as reversed live neutral or live earth wiring. Always watch for danger signs. Frequent electronic failure, constant flickering lights, a smell of burning plastic, or repeated RCCB trips and high electrical noise are warning indicators that your electrical system needs immediate review. It is important to understand the difference between observations and measurements. Visual tests can spot obvious defects like broken wires, but professionals use specialized instruments to measure resistance, impedance, and fault current to guarantee safety. Know your limits. While visual checks help identify basic faults, they do not guarantee safety standards. If you suspect an issue, always call a licensed electrician to perform thorough testing with the proper equipment.